Homemade sardines are much better than store-bought. Let's start by adding sardines to a jar. I used enough to fill the jar. Add salt, garlic, pepper, smoked paprika, oregano, and bay leaf. Now let's fill the jar with oil. You can use olive oil, but regular oil works too. Next, we'll cover the jar. I mixed it lightly to distribute the spices. Now this next step is crucial. Wrap the jar in a kitchen towel. Place the wrap jar in a pressure cooker. Put a towel at the bottom to avoid direct contact. Add water to cover half of the jar. Cover and cook under pressure for about 10 minutes. After that, let it cool before opening. Look how amazing these preservative-free sardines are. Quick, easy, and delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. These sardines just melt in your mouth. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.